Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the myCADtools Entity Properties. This tool allows you to retrieve information from one or more faces to create properties related to the current configuration or the custom properties by retrieving these values. So let's activate it. Go to myCADtools, select Entity Properties. I'm going to select this tool twice. I'm going to use measurement mode first. Let's activate that. Then I'm going to select the features to include. In that case, I'm going to select my flat pattern face. From here, you will see that it's going to add two custom properties, one called area, which is the surface area, and one is perimeter. Then I'm going to select related to document, which will add to the custom properties. Then click OK. You will now see that in my custom properties, it has added area and perimeter. Or activate bounding box mode. This will create custom properties showing the X, Y, Z lengths of the bounding box of the entire component. I'm going to make sure my coordinate system is linked to the origin, and then I'm going to click overview. Here you can see a visual representation of the bounding box and the estimated values. Once again, I'm going to select related to document so that it adds this to the custom properties. Here you can see the bounding box X, Y, and Z has been added to the custom properties. Thank you for watching.